Okay, guys.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's me again, Travis. I'm gonna show you how to make a French toast. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients. This is the bread, this is the bowl and fork, this is the egg, and this is the milk, and don't forget the honey. The first thing you need to do is crack the egg. And then we mix it. Add about 1/2 of a cup of milk. Just 1/2 cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. I think I put it all over. Spoon. Honey is very sticky, so that's why I like it. Like this, right? That's 1 tablespoon. Then you're ready to start mixing. Did you know that this honey is from the Philippines and it's only 110 pesos? If you're a Filipino, then you'll know it's pesos. But it's actually money in Philippines. So let's mix it.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
So you need help from your parents to put the fire, but you need a medium fire, and then you need to put the butter. So here I'll put the butter. 1 slice of butter like this. And then you have to spread it on. Like so. And then your thing won't stick. You can also use vegetable oil, but my mom said I am using butter, so. Then if the butter melts, you need to dip this inside. Put it over there.
Slowly.
So then you have to wait. Don't use your spatula yet. So you just have to wait. And then your French toast will be nice. You can repeat this method to get more bread and dip it and then make more French toast. While we're waiting, I want to show to you that after the French toast is cooked, you can put honey, banana, or Nutella on your French toast. You can smell it, it's really, really good. Yeah, it does smell good, but I have flu, so I can't smell it. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. If you have flu, tell me in the comments down below. Now it's ready for like about 2 minutes. You can flip it. So we can put a timer on this. We can put a timer of 2 minutes.
Meanwhile.
So now I'm gonna flip it. You have to wait. You don't need to do like flap this one here if you want it to be fast, but it's not ready yet. So I'm just gonna with food. I readied my plate and my fork. Wait, this is not my fork. I used that to mix. I think it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. Then you just have to flap it out here. And then put another slice of butter. So we're gonna make another one. I'm really enjoying this. It's like those cook videos, like those Lego cook videos, or you like take those eggs and then you smack it on the pan and then you crack it and then it's Lego and then you put it on a plate and then when you eat it, the person spits it out and then it's like ASMR. He keeps eating it, but he keeps spitting it and then he finds a Lego egg, then he cracks it, then it's a real egg and yolk. So then he eats it, then he likes it. Then he makes a wooden duck. It's okay. So then you have to flip it, and it's not burnt. Okay, so we're just gonna transfer it on the plate. Like so. So now we're gonna for this, we're gonna design it. So over here, we're gonna design it like this. Then I think we're gonna cut the banana. Now I have the banana. So I'm gonna cut it. And then I have to open it like this. So now we're gonna cut.
Days later.
So guys, this is my French toast. This is my dessert. I wanted blueberries, but they don't have blueberries. So here's my design. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. And this is my French toast. You can ask your mom and dad to help you with the French toast, or you can watch my video and copy. But don't forget to turn on the notifications and subscribe and turn on the like button. Bye.